Hi, Turkey. Say hi, Dad. Madeline, can you go get New Bear? Can you go get New Bear? Good girl. You know who New Bear is. It's New Bear. Good job. There's the patient.
Not much to look at.
Nice robe. Now we know what we're getting him for Christmas.
I don't. The only time I ever wear one of these is when I'm sick.
Hi. Hi. Look at this hair. Somebody pooped and had a bath last night. And we brushed it right when she got out and it still looks like this. Oh, but it's cute. It looks like cotton candy. It looks like cotton candy. Can you give kisses to Dad? Good job. Woo, good flip, but you cut yourself with my hair. Madeline, can you give kisses to Dad? Can you give kisses to Dad? Good job, crazy hair. Oh. Show Dad your clicking noise. Good job. Whoa, you're pretty quick. Madeline, can you go get New Bear? Go get New Bear. Can you go get New Bear? Go get New Bear. Go get New Bear. I see you looking at him. Madeline, Madeline, can you go get New Bear? Go get New Bear. I see you looking at him. Go get him. Go get New Bear. Go get New Bear. Nope, you want to stand here and dance. Madeline. Who's that? Is that New Bear?